Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's one, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. No surprises there. But it's not just a normal unboxing. Basically what I am going to be unboxing is a loot crate. Now I was contacted by the company Gadget Club. I've never heard of them before, but that's probably because I'm not really super interested in loot crates as I used to be. I used to be heavily into them. I used to love buying Loot Crate and a couple of other ones, and then I just stopped doing it. Gadget Club emailed me and said, hey, we do loot crates, but they're all catered to people who love gadgets and tech and all that sort of thing. And I said, hey, that sounds pretty cool. I'd love to receive a box and see how it goes. So essentially what they do is a monthly subscription box where they send you out a box with one epic item. That's what it says on the site, that they give you one epic item. So if I show you the site itself, it says get the latest gadget every month. The box that keeps on giving, a review already there. So how it works, you join, dispatched, fun time. What surprises awaits you? Expert tech buyers are there to fulfill the high expectations with the latest and most innovative epic gadget in Gadget Club boxes, including smartphone gadgets, drones, Bluetooth accessories, smart home devices, and more. So that's pretty cool, and past boxes include Google Home, Cree, Black Shark. Black Shark as in Xiaomi Black Shark? I don't know. They've got a guarantee with a year warranty and 30-day return, so that's cool. 10,000 customers. Only 10,000. I thought it would have been a lot more, but there you go. Now, the monthly plans are in Australian. I'm pretty sure they cater to all around the world, but this is for Australia. $55.95 a month for one box, just paying every month for one. 3 months is $49.95. 6 months is $44.95 monthly. 12 months is $40 monthly. However, the guys over at Gadget Club told me to use the code first order to get $20 off your first purchase if you want to. There's no obligations to do so. You do not have to. The link in the description is not an affiliate link. I'm not going to get paid for anyone clicking that. I'm not getting paid to do this review or anything like that. I've just been sent out a box and I'm basically just showcasing what Gadget Club does and what their mystery boxes are like. I have no idea what's going to be in mine, no clue whatsoever, so hopefully I get something good. So I just want to clarify as well, all opinions in this video, what's in the box and all that sort of thing, my opinions. As I said, I'm not being paid for any of this. I'm just letting you guys know the service, what they have to offer. As I said, no obligations or whatever. I've got the box next to me, so we'll crack it open, have a look, and see what we get. I think it actually goes into detail on the website what you may receive in the boxes, but I haven't checked that because I purposefully want to go in with an open mind. Just imagine that I've paid $55 for a box to be sent out to me and what I get inside of it. And here it is here. There you go. They put Gadget Club on there like that. Well, it's very shiny and you can't really see it. During the post, it's kind of got rubbed around and unfortunately it's become unstuck. But you could peel the letters off yourself if you wanted to and stick it somewhere. If you wanted to, feel free. But my G there's a little wrecked. My C's a little wrecked. That's okay. This was shipped from Australia. Only took a couple of days to get to me, which is good. It's a fairly... I'm not going to say it's a really heavy box and it's not a light box, but it's just in between. It's reasonable. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Let's open this up and try our luck. See, this is why I do wish videos, because you just never know what you're going to get. Like, you order something, it's just completely different to what you order. And that's the whole sort of mystery thing of it all. The fact that this is all random, you don't know what you're going to get. I kind of like it. Gadget Club. Alright. Something in there. I mean, of course there's something in there. But here we go. Not gonna look, not gonna look, not gonna look. Oh. Air bubbles. Air bubbles. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That was it? Oh. I thought you get a couple of gadgets in here. Maybe I read it wrong. Maybe my expectations were a little too high. Maybe. Oh no, it's only just one. So my bad. I thought you'd get more than one thing in the box, but that's okay. That's alright. What we have here is... this. I actually don't know what this is. It's a Next tool. It's made by... I don't know. 34mm USB Type-C? So what exactly is this then? Is it just a torch? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's a torch. No, wait. Okay, so it's a flashlight, it's a camping light, a working lamp, a warning light, a power bank, sound and a light alarm. Scan QR code for video manual. Okay. So it's just a torch and a power bank. What's the power rated at? What's the power bank then? 2600 milliamp hours. Not a big power bank, but you know, that's alright. You get a USB Type-C cable. It is a flat one as well. And that's it. Oh. I don't know what that does, but okay. Yep, okay, there's the light there. So then you would pull off the bottom and there's your Type-C USB port as well as a Type-A USB port there. And obviously pressing that would just turn on the torch. It's just waterproof seal just there. Okay, and these are little magnets as well, so you just kind of stick them and that's it sort of thing. But what else do you do? Oh, okay, so that changes the diameter of it, I guess. It says hot there. Okay, so that's super bright, medium, low. And then you double click and then you get that one. So you can then use the magnets here and light up your setup. See, I could just use that as a light for my camera setup. And there you go. All the directions are there. Hold for 2.5 seconds. Okay. It's red now. Ooh. Does it change any other color? Oh, there we go. Yep. There you go. It's a warning light now. Switch that off. You can stop warning me now. So yeah, it's the next tool just there. LED power. Lithium-ion batteries, 2600 milliamp hours, made in China, USB, all that sort of stuff. That's basically it. Oh shit, okay. Yep, rightio. Yep, okay. Alright, well it does that too. I'll give my honest thoughts. I wasn't expecting to just get a torch. It's cool that it's rechargeable, because I do have torches that just run on normal AA batteries. It'd be easier to just have one that I could just take around with me and stuff, and it's pretty bulky because it's a power bank as well. I kind of was under the assumption that you'd receive like maybe one good item and then another smaller item sort of thing just to make up for it. Like with Loot Crate, for example, you get a couple of good items. You get like one good item, then you get a whole bunch of little mystery ones sort of thing. That's honestly what I thought, but looking at the site a little bit more, I read this, the box that keeps on giving, an innovative lifestyle with new gadgets every month. I thought it was like new gadgets in the box every month, but it's one gadget every month, and it just says it there. Just one gadget, super fast free shipping, and that is correct. It's free shipping, and it's just one gadget. That's it. Kind of would have hoped for something a little bit better, but I guess that's sort of the downside of these mystery loot boxes sort of thing, is you don't know what you're going to get. That's kind of why I stopped doing the loot crates and stuff like that, because it was a little bit disappointing after a while. You'd pay for the service, you'd receive the box, there'd be, one or two good items, but then it was like, nah, that's okay. And that's pretty much why I cancelled mine, because I kind of wasn't really happy with what I get. Let me reiterate that this is a good premise. It's a good idea, for sure. But I think that the prices may be a little bit on the higher side, especially if you're going to get just a torch like this. I'm pretty sure that you could find this torch on AliExpress or something. Actually, let me have a look and see how much it is. Wait, Nextool's made by Xiaomi? Huh. This is made by Xiaomi. Okay, that's kind of cool then. So US $23, so they're about $40, roughly about $40. But then again, you do pay the premium. You could receive something better, but at the same time, if it's only just one gadget, you could just buy yourself a mystery gadget every month from a website, something that you really, really like. And in that way, you're not sort of playing a roulette sort of thing. I don't know. As I said, the premise is good, but the delivery is, I don't know, for me it was a bit of a downside. Don't get me wrong, this little gadget's pretty nifty and pretty cool, and the fact that Nextool is Xiaomi as well is fairly interesting, but it's just the whole sort of, I just wish there was more inside of the box, even like, an extra cable, or, something like that to sort of just, I don't know, make it worthwhile, because you have one gadget and then that's it sort of thing. You've opened up this cool box and everything just to have one gadget, and it's kind of like, okay, now what? Now what? My torch wasn't sealed, and there's a bit of a broken, area just here, where the torch would sit. Not too sure. Would I recommend doing a 12-month thing? Probably not. I'd say if you were going to do one, probably use that first order thing and do a month. Order one with an open mind, if you want to, no obligation. See what you get, and then decide if you want to continue on. With loot crates, sometimes you get good stuff, sometimes you get sort of, you know, run-of-the-mill stuff. And for me, with just a torch, I can't really do much of a review on it. This is basically just an unboxing and then me talking about the whole thing for 15 minutes sort of thing. It's not something that I'd want to bore you folks over and over again. Is just doing an unboxing, just showing one gadget, because the next one could be, you know, a pair of headphones or something like that. The next one could be, you know, a very cheap smartwatch. I really don't know. It could be anything. At least I've got to see one box and I sort of know roughly what to expect. Look, they wanted me to give my honest thoughts and opinions on this, and as I said, the premise is good, but I think that just only one gadget is a little bit of a downside. I think if there was an extra one or two things in there that might have made it worth it, I think absolutely I'd be saying, yeah, go for it, because you get one good item and a couple of little things sort of thing. But you're only getting one item, you play around with it, and I've only got a torch that, you know, has one button and a power bank, and that's basically it. So it is a bright torch though, and it does red. Ooh. That is the Gadget Club unboxing box unboxing. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. As I said, there's no obligation. You can click it if you want to. I'm not being paid for it. I didn't get paid for this review or anything like that. I was just experiencing what the company has to offer with their boxes. And yeah, as I said, my opinion is I think they should include one or two more items in there to spice things up a little bit, give you a bit of variety. I went in with an open mind with this. You know, this was a complete random unboxing. I didn't know what to get. I got this. Here we are. You've heard my thoughts on it. You've heard my ramblings. I don't want to cause any harm or offense to Gadget Club. I wanted to give my honest opinions for this, and I think that's what I've done. If you are interested in this sort of stuff, that's great. If you're not, it's not for everyone. I completely understand that. Feel free to let me know down in the comments what you thought of this. Were you expecting something, you know, much more or something like that? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't think I'll do any more loot crates, to be honest, because as I said, you know, I cancelled mine years ago because I just sort of got tired of them. Look, if you want to see more of mystery unboxings and stuff, I could do them, but I don't think it's on my radar as a very prioritized video topic that I want to do on this channel. But otherwise, folks, thanks for tuning in to see this unboxing. Big thank you to Gadget Club for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate it. I'll pass my feedback and opinions to them, and hopefully maybe something will be different. Maybe, you know, in a couple of months they might send another box out with, you know, some more and improved goodies or something like that. Who knows? As always, take care, stay safe with your torch that can do warning lights, like so. And of course, be good people, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Hey everyone, this is Ripley. Ripley, what do you think of the box? What do you think of it? What do you think of the box? You like it? Look, look, look. This one's a torch, look. Wait for it. Here you go, look. Flash. Ooh, interesting. No, you want to just play with the packaging. Do you think the packaging's more important? Of course you do. What about the big box itself? What about the big box itself? No? No? You're not interested? We tried. Okay, bye YouTube. Bye. Bye-bye.
If you like this content, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.